Hey, what's up guys, so welcome to the first unboxing of the year. This is the Hesley smart weighing scale. Now I bought this from Amazon for $1279. The normal pricing for Amazon Prime members is $1299 and for others it's $1399. Now I actually not planning to make a video on this because I've already unboxed it and I didn't thought it's necessary to make a video, but this thing turned out to be so good I decided that I will make a video on this. So today is the day. So sorry for all the delays, but finally the video is here. As you can see, this is from Hesley, which is a Germany brand, and you can see the net weight is 1 kg. You have the 1.58 AAA battery, and it has electrical bioimpedance measurement technology, high precision stain gauge sensor, and you have this mail to reach out to them. Also, as you can see, nothing from here. You have Hesley branding here, and you can see here you have the barcode information. And here you have the MRP, which is 1999, but as I said, I got it for 1279 and you can get it around 1400 rupees even without any offers. So make sure to look for offers before you buy it. So quickly unbox it. As I said, we already unboxed it, but I kept it nice. So I bought this on 17 Jan, so it's almost a month I'm using this. So as you can see, you have nicely packed. You have this weighing scale as well. Let's keep this aside for the time being. You have this weighing scale manual, which you need to read if you want to pair with the app, because there's no mention about the app in the whole thing, but there's an app mentioned here. So either you can Google it, Feelfit in Play Store, or you can scan it in your Apple App Store and you can register it and that's done. We will show you this in the review part of the video. As you can see, this is my Amazon bill and you can see clearly it says 1279. So let's keep this thing for the side. Let's focus on this. This is nicely 1 kg weighing scale, and you can see how good it looks. This is the tempered glass with the ABS. You have this nice silver coating, which is the G sensors, maybe, I'm not sure. But on the back you have this plastic thing. At least says Hesley weighing scale. You can see the size and stuff, and it's 2 AAA batteries. Now battery was surprisingly included, so this is where the battery goes, and this was included in the box, which is very good, I would say. You have this so that it doesn't move, probably good. Now this whole thing is well built. This is just a plastic which I think kind of expands if you're overweight, but not that much, I would say. It could be better, but it's better. It's not that bad, I would say. The build here is amazing. It looks amazing. You have a Hesley logo here. You have the display here, and you see max 180 kgs, and the minimum difference is 50 grams. So 50 grams of error rate, but it kind of does in the algorithm and give you accurate data. So this is the unboxing part. Let's move forward to the review and the app part. Hey, what's up guys, so this is the Hesley smart weighing scale, and I bought this on 17 Jan and today is 17 Feb. I'm shooting this video, so it's almost a month I'm using this smart weighing scale and I'm really happy with the performance. So first let's have a look. It looks very nice, and the best thing about it is the high precision G sensors, or just sensors from Germany. So all you have to do is just first launch the app, okay, because it syncs with the app. So I have just launched the app. Okay, the configuration is very simple. We will come on the app part later, and I will just step on it so that it turns on and let it calibrate. The calibration is very fast. I'm hoping you will be able to see the red display, and I do the weight, and it also reflects here, as you can see. And see, it makes nice sound and it displays you the weight, which is really very good. It's very fast. It doesn't take much longer, and these are the high precision sensors. So even if I step out, if I try it again, let's see. If I try with the different way, as you can see, it's probably the same readings. I will again step out of it and try to step it again. Ready? Let's turn this on, let it calibrate, and we will from different side. As you can see, super accurate G sensors, so it's not like you stepping up and stepping down and your weight changes. It's nothing like that. And yes, I'm overweight, more on that later, but it also turns off automatically to save the battery. The display is very crisp, clear. Let me try to zoom in because it's kind of too much light here, so let's try to zoom in. I think now you can see it properly. As you can see, the display is very crisp and it's very nice. No matter where I step in, the sensors are very accurate. So as you can see, so these are the build quality is very good. This is the glass. This is the ABS tempered glass, which is very good and durable. Now let's discuss about the app features in another part. Let's get started. So guys, this is the app, which is the Feelfit app, and the best part about it is a dedicated app just for weight, because from other manufacturers, like they have one app for fitness and everything, including walking, jogging, running, yoga, everything is one app, but this just for weight. And this is the main reason why I went with the Hesley. So not only you're getting a very good app, but on top of that you're getting incredible features. I will come on that later. So first of all, as you can see, you have this nice weight and you have nice animation when you step on the scale, as well as you have the goal which you want to set and the body fat goal as well. And also you can see how much weight you have loosened. Now I have actually lost 5 kgs. It is showing me 3 kgs just because I have captured the data late. So I already lost 2 kgs and then I captured the data on this weighing scale. I bought it later. You can see how much BMI you have improved. You have this nice representation of weight as well as BMI, and you can see I'm in obesity, I'm overweight, and it clearly says the data results here are used for sport and fitness monitoring reference. This cannot be used as a databases for medical equipment. Again, this is not a medical equipment, this is just for your reference. And there's a popular saying that if you can't measure it, you can't do it. So this is the reason why I think if you're on a fitness journey, you should do, because again, I will come on that later. If you go here to tracking section, you get all the weight you have captured. Now I have the month data here, so whole 1 month of data. You can see this is a week data, and as you can see, the weight is kind of slightly increasing and then going down, and then it's down again. So as you know that, hey, my weight is increasing, I have to focus more on that. If you see month data, I've used 5 kgs weight, you can see it's down. And for normal fitness program, it's never straight, it's like this way only. So you can clearly see the data. You can tap on the date and stuff. So for example, this was, I think this was 92.15. So this was in January. And this is in February, as you can see. So again, as you can see the data. You also have the scale measurement. So BMI is also there. So you can see the weight or BMI. You can also see percentage. So this is the percentage. Again, very good representation. You can see the whole year data. I don't have year data right now, so just a smart thing. But this is useful if you want to see monthly or weekly. Also, you have circumference here, which has no data right now. And I have no idea why. What is this? So it has chest, has biceps, and I think this is for specific model of Hesley. Like this is the entry level model, so it doesn't have all these sensors required. So those are for other stuff. So there you have it. The best part about is the multiple user support, so you can have unlimited users. So I have my whole family here. Now, and also syncs to Google Fit. If you go to settings here, you can see Google Fit, Fitbit, and Samsung Health. This is the main reason why I went with the Hesley, because there was some good under 1,000, but again, they don't have the sync. Now, the reason I've synced to Google Fit is because it comes under Google Fit, right? Now, let's go to Google Fit. As you can see. So if you go here, you can see the weight here, right? And you can clearly see that if I go by week basis, you can see Feelfit is actually submitting the data to Google Fit. Now, what's the benefit of it? First of all, even if you delete the app, if you lost all data, you can recover it, number one. Number two, some other fitness app like my Zero fasting app, which I used to do 16 to 8 fast. It also helped me to monitor that. So if in the app, if I go here, I can complete 100 on one fast. It also tells me the weight here. So I can relate, say I have this day I've done this fast, and this helped me to do this, which is very useful data. As I said, if you can't measure it, you can't do it, right? So you have everything data right here, and in the other apps like my diet app as well. So it's kind of an ecosystem, and I think you should buy the medical equipment which syncs with Google Fit, so that you have one ecosystem of all the health stuff. So that's very good. That's the main reason I bought this over any other scale, and it's in budget. So it's cost 1,400 rupees, as well as it has all the features you need. Now it doesn't have let's discuss about some cons. So it doesn't have features like the SpO2 sensor or fat percentage calculation, muscle mass, etc. So you need to buy a higher variant, or you can go with some other scale which have in-depth data. Now it tells me the body fat goal, but it doesn't tell me how much body fat the thing is. As you can see, you can have the date comparison and stuff here. So that's really good. Now, the Feelfit doesn't auto-detect users. So, for example, if my mom steps on it, it actually gets registered in my account. For that, you have to go in my account and click on my mom's profile. And then if she wait, it gets registered to her account. So, this is a little bummer. It doesn't auto-detect. But you can have hundreds of users and sync all the data. You can maintain your family health, which is highly recommended. And also the best thing about it is the Google Fit. As I said, Google Fit, Fitbit, Samsung Health. So if you're in any ecosystem, you are synced right away. The build quality here is good. The sensors are precision. So this is a highly recommended smart scale under 1,400 rupees. If you want to look other option, you can have a look at the Health Sense Fitbit Days. Now that is around 1,999, that is 2,000 rupees, but it has more stuff like the fat percentage, muscle loss. It will give you more data if more data is important to you. For me, this is the thing, and I've lost this 5 kg weight. This is my mom's actually. My mom is actually gaining the weight. But this is mine. As you can see, I have lost 3.4, but I have lost around 5 kgs because I've registered it late, and all I have done is just the calorie deficit as well as more walking, which my new Amazfit Verge Lite helps me to do. So video on that later, and this also syncs to Google Fit, so it's the whole ecosystem of the fitness stuff. So that's pretty much for this video. Hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TechShow if you haven't already. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.